Shalom friends! Kamusta kayo? Another short sharing from the heart. Guys, have you ever wondered why some people become so successful pero parang may kulang pa rin sa kanila sa buhay nila? Kasi alam mo, yung negosyo alone cannot give you peace. Yes, money can buy comfort, but to be honest with you, it cannot strengthen your heart during hard seasons. Katulad natin, tayo mga businessmen, we face pressure every day. May problema, may responsibilidad, nadidisappoint tayo. And ang pinakamabigat, sometimes you have to make decisions that may affect people. That's why I want to encourage you na yung relationship mo kay God matters. Very important yan. Kasi parang yung telepono natin, di ba? Kahit na meron kayong pinaka-latest model ng iPhone or Samsung, pinaka-best design and pinaka-maraming feature, tandaan mo, pag yan hindi mo chinarge, yung battery mamamatay din at di mo na yan magagamit. Di ba? That's exactly what happens to people. You can be talented, driven, hardworking, but without spiritual strength, eventually, para ka rin mababurnout. Darating yan. Kasi tatanda mo to, prayer is not a weakness. Tapos yung faith, di lang yung pang Sunday, pang everyday yan. Kasi I believe na it's the foundation that keeps you strong while carrying success ng negosyo mo, pati ng family responsibilities mo. Kasi I could remember a Bible verse, Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. Sabi, be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. So, guys, while building your business, don't forget to build your spirit too. Huwag kalimutan yan. Because, a strong business with a weak soul is still an unstable life sa pananaw ko. Kaya, keep praying, guys. Keep growing and keep believing. Because, success means nothing if you lose yourself along the way. So, God bless everybody.